Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to check the efficiency for the particular task and project activities into Bitrix24, and by the end you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. So first of all, if you need to check the efficiency for the particular task and if you are working on particular task and projects, then just you have to just click on the efficiency option. Here you will get the my workload and efficiency. The panel will be open and here you will get all the tasks which is completed, in progress, and if any other status, then you can directly check out from here. So here we have six options, that is total task, how many total tasks you have, how many completed tasks you have, how many in progress tasks you have, how much are completed. Okay, and just like that you can compare by the chart also. Now in the panel you can see I have 76 total tasks, one is completed, in progress that is 75, and the percentage of completed that is 1.37. Now you can just click on the another one, that is you can see the chart, and self assign is 90.79 and assigned by someone else that is 9.21. So just like that you can so just like that you can view your task and you can check your workload and efficiency effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.